Why does your scanner show the P0765 engine code? What does it mean? P0765 is a diagnostic trouble code for shift solenoid D malfunction. It indicates a problem with the D shift solenoid circuit, which controls hydraulic fluid pressure within the transmission for gear shifting. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty shift solenoid D. Wiring issues. Transmission fluid problems. Clogged transmission fluid filter. Solenoid circuit issues. Transmission control module failure. Restricted hydraulic passages. Defective transmission valve body. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Honda, Kia, Toyota, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.